After opening new Canva project, go to text and apply italic style. Type your text and let's change the font to Anton. Increase the size. Go to text color and scroll down to gradients. Choose any style and go to colors. Let's make the first one yellow, the second one pink, and the third one purple. Let's change the style, make the second one, and go to apps and type shape cutout. Choose this app, click export design, increase the size and click export, and select all the letters, click cutout and add to design and align it, and let's bring our image. Let's use this one. Remove the background and increase the size. Let's place it like this. Duplicate, click on the first one, layer, and send backward, and align the second one, and let's crop it like this. And here's the final results.